Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. Today I'll be showing you this lovely Jazz EX 1.3 manual. It's got petrol engine as well. So yeah, to start off with, we got this automatic headlights. You do have daytime running lights down there, which are LED. Front and rear parking sensors. Really nice car. We sold it from brand new. To start off with, we got these 16-inch alloy wheels. Really lovely. Scuffs or anything. This video I'll be showing you on the car. Got keyless entry as well there. Second alloy there. Very lovely. Rear parking sensors. It does have a reverse camera down there. Lovely boot. It does have full service history from us, which is nice. Under here you got your tire repair kit and some tools. Seats do fold down all the way. It's Jazz Magic seats, which is nice. Got rear privacy glass as well, which is nice and handy. Like I said, magic seats that fold all the way up, or you can fold them all the way down. There we go. Lovely more room. Got front automatic windows, rear ones are electric, which is nice. Aircon on as well. So yeah, as you can see, car's really mint. There's no scratches or wear and tear anywhere I can spot on the car. Jump in, I'll show you the miles on it. So down here we got the front two automatic windows, got the rear electric windows. Wing mirrors do fold down, and you do have locking system. Down here we got your vehicle stability control, parking sensors, lane departure warning, and your headlight adjustability. Cup holders there, a couple of more storage space under there. Just turn down the aircon, it's really hot today. So yeah, the car's done 30,763 miles, which is lovely. Auto headlights, auto wipers up here. Just zoom out, there we go. Got multifunction steering wheel. You do have your Bluetooth hands-free function and your entertainment system up here. On the right you got your cruise control, and you do have your trips computer down here. Really lovely. You have the THC screen, got DAB, FM, AM, you got iPod control, HDMI. Just have to plug it down there. 12-volt socket, a couple of cup holders there, auto start and stop. You do have 6-speed manual gearbox. I'll show you the reverse camera. There we go, we got 3 modes on the reverse camera as per your preference. You got climate control, which is lovely, the handbrake. So yeah, so cars here with us will leave with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Also, please do like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.